Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2025 Mack Granite quad axles. This truck is equipped with the MP8 and the Allison transmission. This truck does have a Pintle plate. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. This truck does still have remaining factory warranty. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.